Hello everybody and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues. Right now today I'm reviewing the EasySMX Cool 2000 gaming headset. You can buy these on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. So if you want to buy it you can. This is for UK version. Right. It comes in a standard box like this. It's a black box with their logo on the front. And at the back it basically says the name, EasySMX. It says the gamer's choice. Gaming headset at the bottom, here it says. So we're going to inside the box. Inside the box, this is the gaming headset. It comes in bubble wrap all over it. Which is quite nice, I like the poppies actually. Right, enough about that. Right now, this is the gaming headset. It comes with a flexible mic, and also the top here is flexible because it has like a soft part here. Foam pads here. This is like metal with plastic over it, so which is good because obviously if you've got a bigger head, I suppose you can just feel more comfortable when they're like this. And at the back, as well as the side here, these are the lights, which I'll show you that in a minute when they come on, with both sides. And this side here, you've got the mic button, a volume control, and then turn the LEDs off and on. This is USB powered, so bear in mind when you buy this, the audio does not come through the USB. So anything that's USB, if you're thinking of buying this and you've got USB on your Xbox or wherever, or anything else, audio does not come through the USB. It comes through the 3.5 mil headphones, and there's one there for the mic as well. Obviously the green one's always for the speaker, and the pink, each one here, is always for the mic, and that's obviously for your power. And it's also got a converter in the bag, which basically converts it into one headphone jack, both of them into one headphone jack. So if you want to use something else, I could probably think it's for Xbox, I think, actually, or PS4, one of the two. And obviously inside the box also you'll also get the a feedback thing that you can fill in. You've got their website and their email address. And obviously you scan that, then you can go straight to their website and sign up, and you get a £10 voucher, it says there. I'll just show you actually on. Show you the lights on, so you can see the light. I'm going to power it by a power bank. They come on now. And when they're on, they're like this. It's like a cool blue effect. It's quite nice actually. I like how the mic, it's like fully flexible. You can just sides. Got a logo at the top as well here. You can't alter it. It just goes like that all the time. You turn it off and on, turn it on. That's it. So, that's it. Yeah. It's also got that logo in the middle as well there, on that silver part here. They are quite decent headphones for the money. I mean, can't really go wrong for the money. I mean, you're actually worth the money. Because I've seen some headset sets of whatever, like 100 quid and everything like that, and these are actually just as good as the £100 ones. So, yeah, I hope you found something useful anyway. And like I say, I'll put a link in the description below of where you can actually buy these headsets from. Apart from that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.